Haven pleva. Os cor and fibra. Os cor and fibra means in front of the piper. Okay? Alright? Os cor means in front of, so os machor in front of me, os cor and fibra in front of the piper. Okay? Isteach leis agus na páistí ina dhia. Isteach leis. Leis.
With him.
So it's a sentence in Irish. Isteach leis. What does that mean?
With him.
In he went. Okay. In with him, right? In with him. Isteach leis.
In he went.
Okay, agus na páistí ina dhia. So
And
isteach.
the children following him.
Isteach leis agus na páistí ina dhia.
And the children behind.
So in with him and the children behind him.
him.
Okay.
That's a D, right?
It's a D. Okay, isteach leis agus na páistí ina dhia. Lean na páistí go léir é ach buachal beag amháin. So lean na páistí go léir é.
With
With all of the children except one little boy.
Okay, lean na páistí.
with the children.
No, lean.
Lamb.
Lean
Lamb.
na páistí go léir
All the
é.
children.
So followed all the children him. The páistí go léir all the children followed him. Ach buachal beag amháin.
One small boy.
Ach buachal beag amháin. Okay, but one small boy, but boy small one. Okay,
The wine is together?
one.
One.
So, but boy small one, but one small boy.
Look for one
The
small
children
boy.
follow
Okay.
him, but for one small boy.
Gortiu achos agus níor féidir leis siúl. Wait, yeah. Gortiu achos agus níor féidir leis siúl tapa galore. So, gortiu achos means. Try to explain that one. Gortiu achos means he hurt his foot got hurt. Gorti is to hurt, injure. Wound. Gortiu achos was wounded his foot. Okay, gortiu achos. Agus near. Huh? Yeah. So. Agus near Vager lesh. Shul tapa galore. So near.
He wasn't able to walk.
Right. Near Vager lesh.
What's the label?
Shul
Walk.
to walk. Tapa or tapi galore.
Well,
Tapi. Fast enough. Yeah. Tapa galore. So near Vagula Shul Tapa galore. Okay. Nur a chrichse na caragacha vi an doras dunta.
When they went into the cross, the doors closed.
Okay. Nur a chrich. So nur a chrichse na caragacha.
They went into the cross, and to the door.
Nur a chrichse.
When they returned?
The caragacha. 1 second.
When they set out?
So nur a chrichse.
When they set out?
The chrich
They
reached. So when reached he na caragacha the rocks. Vi an doras dunta.
The doors were shut.
the doors were shut.
The one with the Doris, and then Doris doing that. Okay?
the door shut.
We endorse doing that.
Where's the door?
So, Chuinse gobronach mar ba bralish ve in enach lena charge. So, Chuinse, that's your queena.
He
Crying.
He keen.
He keened, right? What's that mean?
Crying.
He cried. Chuinse. Okay? Okay, Chuinse go bronach. Sorrowfully.
Sorrowfully.
Okay, Chuinse go bronach. Mar bavra leis ve in enach lena charge.
He
Bavra
would have
leis.
rather been with his friends.
Because
Because he would have loved Mar bavra leis.
Be with his
Okay,
friends.
bavrayom I would love. But Mar bavra leis he would have loved. Ve in enach lena charge.
To be.
Ve is to be. In enach, that's all I had a little bit earlier.
With his friends.
Together.
Together with his friends.
Then a charge with his friends. Okay? Okay, so Queen Shegobrona cried he sadly because Bavralish he would love or he would have loved Ve to be in Enach together, then a charge with his friends.
He was sad.
Ach Kanyachi a charge. Ach Kanyachi a charge. Hmm?
because to make
Kanyachi.
things,
That's Kanyar. That's Nyarna. Kanyachi. Where went? Kanyachi a charja. But where went his friends? Where did his friends go? On lashin amach ni aka enya iad. So
That
Since that day, nobody ever saw them.
okay, so
Nobody saw him again. They were new.
on lashin amach
That day,
From
unfortunately,
day on,
ni aka
nobody
we're not
saw.
seen.
enya iad. So from that day, amach means out, meaning from that day on.
Nobody saw any
Didn't
of
see
them.
anyone them. Niaka enya iad. Okay? Beiger gewilshiad ikana agus ag dausa fuin sliab o hin.
There would be no more dancing.
Shanti, wait.
Uh-huh. Oh, that one?
Those last two words, flesh, blood.
Badger.
Which one was love?
There's no love.
Grog.
Yeah.
Oh, he loved to be with
Oh.
you.
Yeah.
Oh, but Vralesh. Oh, that one.
Bralesh.
He would have loved to. Sorry. I thought you meant that
There is
one.
no love.
No.
I
Okay.
love this story.
Okay. Beiger gewilshiad ikana.
They were, probably they are singing.
Beiger means perhaps.
Perhaps they are singing.
Gewilshiad. Yeah, they
They
are.
are.
They are singing.
They are.
Ikana.
Singing.
Singing. Agus ag dausa.
And dancing.
Fuin sliab o
Under
hin.
the mountain.
Under the mountain.
Fuin sliab o hin. Since then. O hin means since then. O hin. So, Beiger gewilshiad ag kana agus ag dausa fuin sliab o hin. Okay, what I'm going to do is just read the story through, and we're not going to make you read it this time. Maybe next time, okay?
Where do we buy that book?
It's probably not on print anymore. I think you can probably get it tomorrow then. Okay. Vi winter Hamelin fui vron. Vi agla an dawan orta choma. Ken fa a rev bron agus agla orta. Frankie. Vi gach chach sawalia langiav. Agus nach iad a vi mór agus dana. Chrid siad leis na madri. Wari siad na ketch. Níor éidir le muintir an bhaile bre ortha chun iad a warú. Níor éidir le an ruúig a chur ortha ach arid. Rinne na Frankie nadachas na cófri, sna málaí scola, sna hataí, sea agus sna lapacha chéin go minic. Tróna bháin tháinig na daoine le chéile I hala mór an bhaile. Cuirmid fis an mera ar sa sin bhean go ferragach. Cuirmid fis Níor adagar tháinig an mera. A charja sesin, caithimid an ruúig a chur na Frankie, tá is agam sin, ach cin chi. A bhfuil is ag aine an seo cin chi. Ní raibh focail as duine bith. Táirs tamil leabhar fearr ard tanaí ó chul an hala. Is féidir lomsa an ruúig a chur ortha sesin. déach gach aine sa hála ar an bhar a labhar. Ní acha siad duine cosúlas riamh. Bhí chuid éadí buí agus dearag agus píban a láimh aige. Thosaí cúpla duine gaiire faoi. Ná bach leis ar siad san, níl annach píbar a gan chial. Bígí ciúin ar sa an méra, ná chuig agus teach ar. Déach sé ar an bíbara, a fíbara ar sesin, inis dúin cen chi a gurí tú an ruúig ar na Franki. Tá 1000 punt weimar dús ar sa an píbara, an sin an seoime dit. 1000 punt ar sa an méra, tuaimid 1000 punt dit má churann tú an ruúig ar na Franki. Bíach an a warga ar sa an píbara. Amach leis an bíbara, dardi sé an feed go dí a béal agus héid sé steach intí trí huara. Ó inioga agus ó ghuirse léim Franki de gach stóir